I really do like this coffee maker. It says it's a nice tea coffee maker, but I use it for hot tea. We've got the Keurig over here, which we use for our hot coffee, and I use this for hot tea. I really like it because it's got the 6 ounces, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And then you can make it stronger or just make it standard. I always leave it on stronger. And what I do is I put my tea bags in here. I normally put 2 in there, and I leave it on stronger. And then I put it on ground. And then as soon as I hit ground, it starts. I thought I'd show you how long it took to make it. But like I said, it says it's an iced tea or iced coffee maker. It does not have to be that. There's also a hot coffee maker or a hot tea maker. The water comes out clear at first, so I didn't think it was working, but trust me, it works. I used to have to leave my tea bag sit in the water. I don't anymore. It comes out just the way I like it. I used to have all this room left over in my tall coffee cups. I don't anymore. It actually makes it faster than my other coffee makers. The water heats up faster, I guess is what I should say. I put 2 of these here in there. It tastes like those hot cinnamon balls that I used to get when I was a little kid. They were little fireballs. It's really good tea. I've tried several different kind of the ones that use the K cups in them, and this is one of my absolute favorite. I've got 2 that I really like, which is my Keurig and this one. These are my 2 absolute favorites that I've ever had. And see? No grounds. Excellent cup of tea. Wish you could smell it. It smells great.